There was a Wall Street Journal report that came out last night that suggested that SpaceX might have sold their Bitcoin, but actually the Wall Street Journal said that they wrote it off. There's some news coming out of China. Everyone's asking this morning, what happened?
China. I'm going to go with China because this is, again, China is the, it seems that people don't, at least in the U.S., don't really put enough weight as to what's going on in China and the large amount of interest that crypto has there. And when you have economic questions and when people need to cash out as quickly as possible to cover some of their other losses, that affects the price of crypto. I mean, people say, and especially in a thin market, when you have no volatility, no volume, those are two things that were happening in crypto. And we've talked about this for weeks, if not months, that there's been no volatility, no volume. Well, now you get questions about the health of the economy in China. You have a situation with Evergrande, the large real estate developer, and having bankruptcy issues. And you have people saying, hey, I've got to cover my losses. I got to keep my powder dry. I can't be in something that's potentially volatile. I need to cash out. So if I'm going to guess anything, it correlates very well. And if you go back and look at the price of Bitcoin over the years, and you look at headlines out of China over economics and regulation, it correlates really tightly with the price of Bitcoin, more so than did Gary Gensler floss his teeth today, which is, or whatever it is that people seem to focus on. We have to remember that crypto is still a very much an Asia story, more so than a U.S. story. It's not just about the United States. A lot of this volume, whatever is left of it, comes out of Asia, whether or not it's opposed to, different story. But that's basically what we got.